Hello everyone, happy to be in front of you today to show you how you can manage your NGO in Odoo, so non-governmental organization. So first, I invite you to scan the QR code on the slide so that you can put all the questions that you have, and we will have time after the presentation to discuss them. So I am Juliette van den Ede, and I'm working at Odoo for 1 year now. And I'm a product owner of industries, but also of the ESG app, so the new Environment, Social and Governance app, and also for the phone app, so with voice over IP. So what we'll discuss today, so today we will first discuss on the whole business needs of NGO, and so we will try them to answer with the standard Odoo app. So we will see the main app that we have used in this industry package. And after that, we will also see together the extra configuration that we had to do to make sure that we fully support this business need. And after that, I will go directly into the app and show you a demo on Odoo. So this is the business need of an organization. So with this module and with this industry, we will try to give you a solution to manage your donation, to also take action around your mission with some petition, with some signature for this petition. But also if you want to create some campaign with the project app, you will also have be able to manage your membership with the subscription, some donor database with all the information about the donor, so that you will be able to generate some fiscal attestation, and of course send some thank you message to donor, some newsletter on some follow-up of this petition directly on Odoo. So this is the main app that we have selected for that package. So the first one is a new app, so the community app, sorry. So this new app will be only available for this NGO package. So if you start a database on Odoo from scratch, you won't have this application. So if you are an NGO and you want this application, you have to download the industry package. So for the community app, you will be able to engage your member, but also to track donation and drive collective action through petition and collect signature. Then with projects, you will be able to structure your campaigns and to assign tasks, assign priorities, track the progress of the whole campaign. Then we have the contact portfolio. So the contact application helps you to organize in an efficient way all your contacts, so donor, member, signatory, volunteer, so everything in one place. Then we have the website and e-commerce. So for that, with website, you can promote, of course, your events, but you can also publish some forms for petition, for donation, and also sell some merchandising. Then we have the subscription to allow you to do some to automate the renewals of the membership, and after that we have the email marketing to communicate with your community. So this is from the community app, so you can collect donation and also generate fiscal attestation. So you can see that there is a list view of all your donation, which means that when you will not sell, but if a user will donate to your NGO, automatically this donation will be displayed on this community app. And you will have all the information that you need from that donor, with the citizen identification number, but also the address of this donor. And then you have the fiscal attestation. So the fiscal attestation also take into account all the requirements that you need to put for authorities, and also to give as a proof to the donor. Then you want to engage your community. So how to do that? Thanks to the community app. So you launch some petition directly from there. So you had a picture, you had some description, you an image, and you can publish it directly there. And on website there will be like a form where a user can just fill in this form, and so a new signature will be displayed for this petition, and you will also be able to keep his contact. To contact him and give him some follow-up. And then you have the email marketing. This is an example of a newsletter that you can send, for example, to your partner to show you, okay, this is the next action that I will do in my NGO. So this is the way where you will organize your campaigns. So of course you have the project application, as you can see in the background. So you have the different tasks, the progress. You can assign tasks to your employee, your volunteer. You can add some activities in it. You have the contact portfolio to interact directly with your community, and you can make this communication efficient thanks to the CRM. It's not CRM, so client relationship management, is not a client for NGO, of course, but we can say that contact relation management. So you can create some opportunities if someone wants to give you a big donation, or if you want to contact a school because this school wants to be involved in your next campaign, and so on. So this is a membership-based subscription. So this means that when you will sell this membership to a user, the user, by buying this, will be assigned in Odoo as a member, and so each month they will be invoiced €50, and this is automatic. And then you host event and fundraise online thanks to the e-commerce and the website. So you can publish directly your event. You can allow your community to register directly online. And for merchandising, you can sell product. Here we have an example with tote bag, so you can easily add to cart and then through to the checkout process, and you have a lot of payment method too, so that you can choose what do you prefer. Finally, you can manage your volunteers. So this is done from planning. So you have to attribute a specific role to your employee. So for example, we can see that for Alice Martin, I gave the volunteer role, and then in the planning app, I will create some shift for my volunteer. Like for example, I need to volunteer for that action, and thanks to the auto plan feature of the planning, this feature will planify automatically based on the role of the employee and the availability of the employee to do that efficiently. So enough theory. Now I will go into the app to show you how it works. So this is your dashboard. So you can say that, okay, there is no only 7 apps, but other apps. So you have, well, the 7 apps that we have already talked about, but you also have different applications like to-do, like calendar, like surveys. So these apps are added automatically by Odoo just to improve your overall productivity. So if I go to the community app, for example, I can create a petition. Here I have my Stop Child Labor petition. I can see that I have add a title, add some description, and when I publish it, when I go to the website, I have my petition well displayed with the progress bar based on the signature and the target of signature that I have put on my petition form. I will have, well, the description, make some customization directly on the page, and here, if I complete the form for the petition, then when I will come back to my community app in the petition, I will see that there is one more signature, and I will be able to see my name just there. And then by sending this signature here in Juliette Van Donnet, you can see that there is a signatory tag directly on my contact page, so that I will be, NGO will be able to contact me for follow-up of this action. Then if I go to the website, this is my NGO. So as you can see, we have some customized website, so you can add easily some picture, but also explain well your mission about your NGO. You can explain your value of the team, show some key figures, and if I want to get involved, I have the ability to buy membership directly here. So I can add to cart and directly pay my membership. And by doing that, when I come back to my community, I mean, I have already a membership because I did the test right before, but I can see that the Odoo administrator is member of the NGO. And when I click here, I can see that there is one subscription for my NGO. And so here I can see that there is a partner level. So as I buy a membership, I have the membership level to my contact page. And so you can configure the advantage that you want to give to your member via this level. If I will have some specific price on merchandising, or if I will be able to attend to a specific private event, like a meeting to decide about the future of the NGO or the next campaign. When I come back to, if I come back to the website, I can make donation, of course. So when I click on donate now, this is the donation form. So I have created several donations. The first one in only €1. So if you want to just give some money to an NGO, but then I have just put some example, like, so that you have an idea about on what you will contribute. But it's just like to have an image on your contribution. But for example, here I will buy 5 nutritional meal. No, yes, and then I will, I don't know, buy some community health checkup. So here I have all my my donation, and then I will go to the checkout. I can see that the Odoo asks me my address. Then here I have to put my citizen ID number, which it will help to for the legal attestation. And when I will pay, this donation will be directly here, so in your donation for view list. Sorry. So now I want to create an invoice of this donation. I mean, not an invoice, but now, if I confirm it, I can see that it's not invoice, but it's donation, because this donation will be bring directly in a specific journal only for donation. And when I want to send it to the user, I can see that it's not an invoice, but it's a fiscal attestation PDF. So it's a custom report that we have done specifically for this package. So you can see that there is like a legal note right at the end of the fiscal attestation. You have a signature, you have a signer. So all of this, of course, is customizable in Odoo according to your needs. Then maybe I want to have also a view, like how many, I don't know what's the amount, like to have a good image on which is the best donor. So I can put a graph here, and I can see that Odoo administrator give the most to my NGO, and when I click on it, I have all the donation from that donor, and I can send her a thank you message, for example. Then also, if you want to send all this fiscal attestation directly to authorities. You can export everything. So I have added a specific filter, fiscal attestation, and this specific filter will filter by fiscal year, because you want to send fiscal attestation only for a specific year, so 2025. It's categorized by donor, and also it take only amount greater than 40 euro, because it's the norm in Belgium. Like, you are eligible for the fiscal attestation if you donate for more than 40 euro. And then when I will export all, I will have a CSV with all with all this information that you will be able to send to authorities. Then if I come back to the website, so I can now show you that I have talked about this merchandising. So here I have some product that I want to sell to get some additional donation. So I can click on it and I can add to cart a specific product. And something which is good in Odoo is that thanks to specific price list, thanks to specific prices, you will be able to put a specific price for specific client category. So if you have some reseller that sell your products, I can show you just there. Price list. I have created a specific list for reseller to say that, okay, if you give this price list, assign it to a specific contact, each time that this contact will buy some product in your website, they will have 20% of discount on all products if they want to sell it to other people after. And then also you want to create some events to raise the awareness about your main mission. So it's easy in Odoo, if you click on event, to set up your event. So you put a date, you put some tickets, like I don't know if it's a free event or paid event. You can also customize the visibility. So if you want to make it public or for logged user, but also via a specific link. I don't know if you want to say to promote this event only for volunteer or only for your members. It's also possible to do that via this button. And when you go to the website, you have your full customized page, and you can easily register on this event, sorry. So yeah, and then I will get my ticket for that. Then I will go through the project application. So for the project application, I can see here all the projects that I have organized for my NGO. So here is the Stop Child Labor project. So you can see that there is all the tasks for that project. And if I take this specific task, I can see that there is a priority of this task, a deadline of this task, also some assignee, if you want to attribute some responsibility. And also I will cancel it so that I can show you directly. I can schedule a meeting, because to discuss that, I have to do a kickoff meeting with my volunteer and employee. And so by doing that, I can see that in my chatter that I have already organized a meeting to discuss about this task. And then for the planning application, so this is I can do the example here. So for example, here I will do an action at this moment. So I will need some volunteer. So I will create a shift here for volunteer, another one there. And thanks to, I will just remove the resource. And thanks to the autoplan version, the shift will be assigned directly to one specific person, because this person has on our contact page the volunteer role. Also, when you go to the contact portfolio, I will just show you quickly, but here you can see that there is an organized way to display your signatory, your partner, your reseller, your employees, so to have an idea about all your community directly on this, application. Okay, cool. And the last thing, I know that I'm a bit out of time, but a last thing, for all industry, we are creating, we create, knowledge where we explain all the flow that I just talk about now. So all the flow for an NGO, how to set up things and how to configure Odoo to meet your needs. And so all the information is here. So if you start a database and go to the knowledge application, you will find this knowledge where you can have all additional info. And at the end of the knowledge, there is also some additional application that you can add for that industry. For example, the accounting application, if you want to manage your accounting directly in Odoo, but also the WhatsApp module, like if you want to discuss directly with your volunteer who are on the field, you can contact them via the WhatsApp module. And then we have the social marketing and also the inventory and purchase app. This is more like if you want to track the stock and the purchase of your merchandising. Okay, thank you very much for your attention. So don't hesitate to ask me your question. And if we don't have time, because we only have 3 minutes, sorry for that, I talk too much, as usual. I will be in the hall 7, so we can discuss them directly. Yeah, and I can show you it also a quick demo right for you. Thank you.
Thank you, Juliette. That was really nice, helpful, and great presentation.
Thank you.
There are some questions, as you say, I don't think we will have time for all of them, but I'll just go with the one that the question is like, how do you deal with non-attestable donation? I think they mean that like if they really purchase something, how do you deal with this?
Yes, so you also have the sales application. So all other sales will arrive as usual, as Odoo, in the sales application. So if you buy a membership or if you buy some merchandising, you will find all of this in the sales app, because these sales are not taken into account into the legal fiscal attestation. Sorry.
Okay, there are a lot of questions, just I'm trying to choose the one.
Good to know. And also it's the second version of the NGO, but really happy to improve it. So if you have some feedback or a way where we can even more answer to your needs, don't hesitate.
How to single donation for multiple projects?
Single donation?
Yeah. Single donation for multiple projects. I don't think I understand this question either. But let's go the other one. And for marketing campaign, how to map a campaign to a donor in order to have?
Good question. So I can show you quickly. But so this is an email marketing for my NGO, and then you can see that here the recipient is the contact or my contact database, and I have filtered it with tags only for partner. So it's possible to filter it only for donor, only for volunteer, and it's easy to reach your target audience.
Okay. Also, there's a question there. Is there a discount for NGOs? I think this is for more salespeople.
Not at this moment. I'm not sales, but maybe you can ask. I can push for that.
Okay. There are a lot of questions. Let me check. How do recurring donation works?
Sorry?
The recurring ones.
The recurring ones.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is something that we can maybe improve it later.
Okay.
Because we don't manage that at this moment.
Okay. Let's see.
We can maybe create some subscription, like each month they give this. So there is maybe a requirement for that. We have to check, but it could be possible. Yeah, everything is possible with Odoo.
Okay. So and then other questions. NGO reporting. Do we have reporting for NGO?
Yes, so for each app you have the reporting tab. So for that you have all the reporting related to the data of the app. So
Okay, let's finish with the last question. Can we install the app on existing system? Yeah, I think it's the model. They're
Yes.
asking how can we install it?
you can find the module directly on the apps, and for the upgrade, you have to maybe check with integrator, but it's possible definitely.
Okay, thank you so much.
My pleasure.